By the end of this video, you're gonna be playing LOML from Taylor Swift's latest album, The Tortured Poets Department. Even if you're brand new to the piano or you're a beginner, there's a simple way to play this song that sounds just like the recording. I'm gonna be walking you through and showing you how to play this on the piano using really simple, easy to understand language. There's no sheet music or complicated theory involved in this video. It's just simple, fun playing. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Brienne and I teach adults how to start playing the piano for a fun, creative hobby, one where you get to learn how to play the music that you love and actually want to play. Now, if you are brand new to learning the piano and you don't know where to start or what to learn first, I've actually got a free ebook and workshop that you can download down below to help you get started playing the piano the fun way. So I'm going to show you what to play with your right hand first, and then I'll show you your left hand, and then we will slowly put it together. Now, the nice thing about this song is that it's divided up into patterns, and those patterns just make it a lot easier to learn. So the verse and the chorus have two parts to them, two patterns to them, and each of those patterns you play twice. All right, so you can think about it like 1, 1, 2, 2. We'll be learning both of those patterns and they'll just be repeating themselves. To your right hand, I want you to take your thumb and I want you to place it on the E that is below middle C. If you don't know where middle C is right here. You find a set of two black keys, slide to the left. This is middle C, it's just the one in the middle. So I want you to count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and place your thumb there. And then finger 2 will go on the next key, F, finger 3 will go on the next key, G, and then your pinky will stretch up to middle C. So these are the 4 keys that your right hand is going to play. Right hand is going to start by playing thumb, pointer, pinky, and you want to hold on to the pinky. All right, so 1, 2, 5, hold, and then you're going to come back down to your thumb and play 1, 3, 1, and you'll also hold on to that one. Try it with me. You're going to play 1, 2, 5, hold on to it, 1, 3, 1. Do it again. 1, 2, 5, hold on to it, 1, 3, 1. You can play through that a couple of times just to remember that pattern. You have our pattern going up, all right, and then coming back down, the bounce back and forth. And that is all right hand does for the entire song, all right? So your right hand is good to go with that pattern for the whole song. Left hand, you are going to take your left hand thumb. See where your right hand thumb is? You're just going to come down 2 white keys. All right, so you have 1 white key in between. And you're going to place your thumb there. And then finger 3 will skip down here to A. Finger 4 will be here on G. This finger usually feels a little weak and weird, so just be prepared for that. And then finger 5, or your pinky, is going on the very next key on F. So it's just 1, 3, 4, 5. Those are the 4 keys that you need with your left hand. For this first set with your left hand, you're gonna play your thumb for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna play finger 3 for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna play that same key again, all right? That's the first set. Going 1, 3, 4, 4. When you put this first set with your right hand, here's what's going to happen. Left hand's going to start, remember, left hand thumb, and then right hand thumb is going to follow. Okay, so you're going to go thumb, thumb, and you're just going to start the pattern that we did before. So your left hand is just going to hold this while your right hand plays the keys. And then your left hand plays the next key. Play the next key. You play that key again. Okay, and you remember you repeat it. So that is set number 1. If you really want to make this feel easy, I recommend playing through that set and that pattern like 40 to 50 times just so you can really know it well. Once that feels good, you can move on to set number 2. For set number 2, right hand is still gonna do the exact same thing again, right? We love that. But left hand is going to, you're gonna play finger number 5 or your pinky, and then you're gonna play finger number 3. And then guess what? You're gonna end on finger number 4 again, 2 times. All right? So you're gonna play 5, 3, 4, 4. So when you put it together with the right hand, it'll sound like this. And you play that key again. Remember, it repeats. Okay, so now we're gonna put part 1 with part 2, and you will literally have like 80% of the song learned, 90%, because this is all that she's doing on the verses and the choruses. So when you put this together with the words, I'm gonna go nice and slowly and start to sing along with it so you can hear where it goes. You definitely wanna make sure that you have these patterns down first before adding in the singing, or get somebody to sing along with you. When you start this, you want to do a little introduction. So it's just the first pattern. You could play it 1 or 2 times. I'm just going to play it 1 time for this video. So you'd start out. Who's gonna stop us from waltzing back into rekindled flames? If we know the steps anyway, we embroidered the memories of the time I was away. Stitching, we were just kids, babe. Said I don't mind. It takes time. I thought I was better safe than starry-eyed. I felt a glow like this, never before and never since. If you know it in one lives, it's legendary. You and I go from one kiss to getting married, still alive, killing time at the cemetery, never quite buried in your suit and tie, in the nick of time. You low down boy, you stand up guy, you Holy Ghost, you told me I'm the love of your life. Said I'm the love of your life. About 1,000,000 times. If you wanted to go on and learn this whole song and add in the bridge, I'm just gonna walk you really quickly through what you would do. So right hand would continue doing the same pattern. Left hand would have to shift just a little bit. So your left hand, you could take your thumb from where it is here on the C, and you just move it down 1, 2, 3 so that it's on G, and then your pinky is gonna be down here on the C. So now this is where your left hand would be. And the left hand pattern for the bridge would be 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's kind of nice that it follows that pattern. You just start on the bottom and then you just work your way up to the top while your right hand is playing. All right, so here's what it would sound like. And then after you did that twice with your left hand, then you would just move your left hand right back to where it was before, and you would repeat the patterns that you did previously. Okay, and it would go right back into that pattern.